UGC directs higher education institutions to avoid enrollment of foreign nationals in online programs. No book with objectionable content prescribed, Jammu and Kashmir School Education Department clarifies. Holistic education should be both value and skill-based, says Ashok Ganguly. Physics Wala urges Indian students at Harvard, Stanford to return home. Aligarh Muslim University to observe summer vacation from 16th June to 30th July. Good afternoon, warm welcome. You are watching the Education News Network, where you get the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Kiran Raj reporting from the Education News Network. Today's stories are: the University Grants Commission, UGC, has issued a notice to all higher education institutions asking them to refrain from admitting foreign nationals into open and distance learning (ODL) programs. The notice highlighted the eligibility criteria specified in UGC regulations Annexure 3 that only students residing in India are eligible for enrollment in ODL programs under Regulation 23 of UGC, ODL Programs and Online Programs Regulations, 2023, Learners Enrollment. For open and distance learning mode, a learner residing in any part of the country may enroll in any program being offered by a higher educational institution recognized by the Commission for offering program under open and distance learning mode, provided that the higher educational institution shall conduct all activities such as admissions, contact programs, examinations, etc. Amid a row over objectionable content in a textbook, Jammu and Kashmir's JK School Education Department clarified on Saturday that no such book was prescribed or developed by the board. The JK School Education Department said that there is some objectionable content from a book being circulated on social media and clarified that there was no such content in the JK Board of School Education (JKBOS) textbooks developed by Insert or prescribed in any of the books. There is some objectionable content page from a book being circulated on social media. As verified from the textbooks prescribed and developed by JKBOS, there is no such content in JKBOS textbooks, the School Education Department said in a post on X. Moreover, no book having such content has been developed by Insert, nor has it been prescribed in any of JK schools, it added. Ganguly was speaking at the 34th Foundation Day of Kabir Shanti Mission. A discussion was also organized on the topic Indian thought on education and current educational scenario. Ramesh Chandra Tripathi, former Secretary, Government of India and former Secretary General, Rajya Sabha, attended as the chief guest. In his keynote address, Ganguly said that it was very important to integrate value education and skill-based education so that children could grab most of the opportunities which globalization was ushering for them. In this respect, he spoke in detail about the importance of NEP 2020 and how would change the entire Indian education system. Ganguly said that children must be provided with holistic education and 3 bad CS must be avoided: competition, compulsion and comparison. According to him, with proper implementation of NEP 2020, Alakh Pandey, popularly known as Physics Wala, is making waves on social media with his inspirational speeches at prestigious international universities. In a recent Instagram post that went viral, Pandey shared his experience of addressing Indian students at renowned institutions like Harvard, Stanford, and the University of California. During his speeches, Pandey emphasized the significance of Indian students considering returning to their homeland and contributing to the nation's development. He passionately urged the students to leverage their skills and education for the betterment of India. In the heartfelt caption written in Hindi, Pandey expressed his gratitude for being invited as a speaker at Harvard University, Stanford University, and the University of California. He highlighted the importance of Indian students making a direct or indirect impact on India, whether by returning to their home country or even while residing abroad. Aligarh Muslim University, AMU, has announced the summer vacation schedule for the university campus and centers in Malappuram, Murshidabad, and Kishnganj. The vacation will start on 16th June and end on 30th July. As per the AMU notification, the summer vacation for the medicine faculty will be held in 2 slots. In slot 1, the summer vacation will be held from 18th May to 23rd June 2024 and from 25th June to 31st July. 24th June will be a common working day. For the MBBS students, The summer vacation will be for 10 days from 14th June to 23rd June, whereas for students from Bachelor of Dental Surgery first year batch 2023, second year batch 2022, and third year batch 2021, it will be observed from 1st June to 20th June. The summer vacation for BDS final year batch 2020. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.educationnewsnetwork. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.